There are three main types of DNA. Genomic DNA, this is the most common type of DNA and nucleus of cells. It is the genetic material that carries the instructions for the development and functioning of all living organisms. Genomic DNA is organized into chromosomes and contains both coding and non-coding regions. Mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, this type of DNA is found in the mitochondria of cells and is inherited solely from the mother. Mitochondria are organelles that produce energy for the cell and have their own DNA separate from the nuclear DNA. Mitochondrial DNA is circular and contains genes that are involved in energy production. Plasmid DNA, plasmids are small, circular pieces of DNA that are found in bacteria and some other microorganisms. They are separate from the genomic DNA and can replicate independently. Plasmids often contain genes that confer advantageous traits, such as antibiotic resistance,